What's good, YouTube? This your boy JDiggy92 coming at y'all. As y'all can see, another motherfucking unboxing on the old shop sneaker steals for this one once again. Telling y'all if y'all ain't following sneaker steals, you slipping. If a nigga slip, then I'm slipping. It's something like that. I fucked that lyric all up. But yeah, man, I think this is the cheapest shoe I ever bought. Well, the cheapest steal I ever got for a shoe. Hopefully this is how you open it. Damn, it's a weird ass box, bitch. The fuck? But yeah, man. Not first pair of these. First pair in this model. Who the fuck boxed they shit up like this? This is fucking stupid. This packaging is asshole. But yeah, not my first pair from this brand, but it's my first pair in this model. And it's upside down. Oh, this the good box. Hey, we lit every day, we lit. You ain't know it. Bro, now here. As y'all can see, man, we got some MAYYYNEEE originals on y'all hoes. Now these ones I've been waiting for because I want to see them in person, because I was googling like mad what's that shit called, like on feets and shit, because I wanted to see how these look. But yeah, I look like that because it say unit price and total price $0. So bitch, am I getting a refund? Like, shit, I'll take some free shoes, bitch. You know me, motherfucker. But they took the money out my account already, so I know they ain't free. But yeah, I'll tell y'all the price in the official review. I don't got it on me now. But yeah, like I said, I've been looking at on feet for this. Fuck my box up, god damn, bitch. But yeah, I've been looking at on feet reviews, well not reviews, like actual images for this shoe, and I really wanted to see how they look in person, because the reviews, not the reviews, the images made this shoe look two complete different colors. So we gonna find out at the same time if this is the color I need or if this joint is ass. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, these are the color I need. These ones sound good, baby. Oh wow, baby. But so as you can see, we got the, what's these bitches called? The MAYYYNEE Grid SDHT. Now I ain't gonna fake it. When I kept typing this shit in, I would say Grid HDST. Like I fucked that shit all up. But I got them in the size 11.5, and it's the green and black pair. But yeah, man, I really wanted these shoes, and especially because sneaker steals, they had a deal on the site. Ooh, I like that. But they had a deal on the site for MAYYYNEE originals. They had a dumb, stupid sale, and they wanted, how much? I'm gonna look this shit up because that shit was crazy. So these right here went for, I think the original price was around like, I think 30, if I'm not mistaken. Like these went for like 30 or some shit. Then the sale price, cause like they had an extra 15% off, so the sale price ended up coming to $23.79 for some damn shoes. Like $23 for some shoes, bro. And they actually good materials and all that good shit, and like you know they good. Who wouldn't jump on that? So the original price, yeah, was $29.74, and then with 15% off, it dropped to $23.79, and like it was no tax, no shipping, none of that shit. So I got a shoe for $23 damn, and like I think this has to be the cheapest steel I have ever got on this damn channel. But yeah, just first thoughts off rip, these materials is crazy. I don't know what the fuck this is. Just hopefully it doesn't rip easy, but damn. So yeah, just look out for the official review. I'm gonna probably do this shit like right after this, but y'all know it's not gonna drop till this Saturday, just so I have Saturday content for y'all. But yeah, man, hopefully you like this video. You hit that thumbs up. I think the sale is actually over right now, so if you missed it, you really missed a good one, because they had like hella shit. They had, what was it? I'll let y'all know. I put it on screen too. Like, I'll make sure I put it on screen of the sale they had. This is why I tell y'all, you have to follow Sneaker Steals and turn your notifications on, because it's shit like this that happen like every damn day, to where like it be crazy dumb steals, then like you just be coming up off the shit. So I'm gonna try to find it if it loads, so I can show y'all on screen and tell y'all what was actually on sale. So give me a minute and I'll come right back. Alright, so I'm back. Y'all don't know it took a while, but this shit took a long time to find these shit. So what they had on sale, right? They had the Saucony Grid 8500s HT in gray for like $39.99. Should have been an image pop up at least somewhere. My app being stupid for some reason. They had those. Then they had these in the navy colorway drop for the same price. Then they had these Saucony Grid 9000s in mod black. Now I'm not a fan of the mod ones. Like, them shits look like, I ain't gonna say they look trash, but they look boo boo. But I'm just not a fan. Then they had these Road Goals Grid SDHTs. So it's pretty much these in like a burgundy-ish colorway for the same price. Then they had the Sorbet 9000 pack going for $29.74. Nigga, like, it was so much shit that they dropped at one time. And of course you had these, and then you had the what's these bitches? The Saucony Shadow 6000 Space Pack. Now out of all these shoes that dropped, it was between these and the Sorbet pack. But as y'all know, I'm like, clearly I'm a green person now. So yeah, I just decided that these were the better option, because I like green and fall coming up. So I was thinking about all the like fall shit that I could rock with this. And yeah, man, I'm glad I made this decision. Now, that deal is like gone now, because most of the shoes sold out. When I was buying these, it was only like 5 left. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to Sneaker Steals, I say subscribe. If you ain't following Sneaker Steals, or you ain't got their app with the notifications on, you gonna miss a lot of shit, bro. I'm just telling you. Look at my van story. You gonna miss some shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. I know I've been rapping for this little unboxing or whatever. Full review is coming this Saturday, of course. And yeah, hopefully you smack that thumbs up, that like button, and you subscribe to the channel, so you can be a part of the best squad on YouTube. Y'all already know that's the damn God Squad, because we guys in this bitch. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. You want to follow me, the God, on anything? All my social media is at JDiggy92. That's Instagram, Twitter, Snaps, and Snapchat. All of it's JDiggy92. You a fan of my art? You don't even know I do art, or you just want to check out some cool art? Go ahead and sub. I keep saying sub. Go ahead and follow my art page at Finesse Guy Masterpieces and cop y'all some dope art, man. I've been working on a new collection called Shades of Royalty. That shit, I ain't gonna fake, that shit kind of getting my numbers up. So I'm gonna I think I'm gonna add one more to it, and then we actually gonna put them on canvas. So yeah, that's the art page, And I think I said everything I needed to say. Just look out for the full review, in-depth review on these and my personal opinions, as well as that on feet that I know y'all love so much. And go watch all my other vids, support the channel, share with your homies. And yeah, it's been your boy J Diggy 92. I love y'all. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.